Discover how thousands of YouTubers are making a full-time income. Go to beatoolboss.com or click the link in the description. Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, we talking about getting paid, all right, for watching videos. But before I get into that, if you want to know how you can turn any money-making opportunity into a home business, right, a profitable home business, and get money back every year on your taxes, you need to click the first link in the description of this video. Watch a free webinar. I know everybody say that, but it is a free webinar. Once you put your email in, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about, and you will love it if you are a true entrepreneur. All right, so now let's get into this. Get paid up to $500 a day for watching videos. Now, I'm all about keeping it real on this channel. The purpose of this video is because I still see so many different video titles that say stuff like get paid $200 a day, get paid $500 a day, get paid $1,000 a day just to watch videos. So a lot of people who new to the game, they see this, especially they know about YouTube and stuff, so they see videos and titles like this, so they get real excited. They're like, oh my god, I watch YouTube videos all day every day anyway, so I can make money from watching videos, right? So it attracts a lot of attention. But if you're watching this video, I'm gonna save you some time. This should be the last video that you watch in regards to getting paid to watch videos, because when people see these videos, they really go into these videos thinking that they can make a full-time income from just watching videos, whether it be on your computer or your phone or whatever. But the truth is, guys, the truth is, yes, you can get paid to watch videos, but the harsh reality of the situation is you will make very, very, very little if you pursue this as like a true way to make money online, a way to make easy money online. Because the fact is, guys, there's several sites out there that you can sign up for free and get paid to watch videos. That is true. The problem is when you watch these videos and you check your account, most cases you earn maybe 2 cents. That's right, 2 cents, 3 cents, 4 cents. Like, huh? Well, you ain't trying to do all that. And this is the majority of sites. I haven't seen a site yet that they say, oh, if you watch a 5-minute video and earn $25. You got to ask yourself, do that make sense on any level? Like, ask yourself, like, when you see these videos make $500 a day, think about that, right? I'm trying to get you into the game, but think about it. Think about it. Like, where would the money be coming from? Who would pay you that much? Even if you watched 100 videos, right? Even at 100 videos, that means you're getting $5, right, per video to sit and watch a video. Who's doing that, right? So I'm trying to get you to realize that don't feel bad because you can't make a career off of watching videos, because there's a million other money-making opportunities out there that even if, I mean, damn, you could at least make more than 2 cents, you know what I'm saying, for watching a 30-second video clip over there. Because a lot of these cases, when you sign up to these get paid to watch video sites, you're basically obligated to watch like a certain amount of time, and they're usually YouTube videos because people trying to get views, and they pay companies and da 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 to get views to their videos and blah blah blah. That's where you would come in at. Now, in most cases, you got to watch at least like 30 seconds to a minute long of a video that you're probably not interested in, and then you'll do that, and then yes, you'll get like 2-3 cents in your account. You do the math. For you to get $1, how many videos do you got to watch? You know what I mean? So that's the truth behind it. Now, to be fair, in my opinion, a way that you can technically get paid to watch videos and get paid a decent amount of money, only way I know of is that you become like a YouTube consultant, and that's where you you offer a service to consult people on their YouTube channel. Now, most likely this would be people that, just getting started in the game, and, they don't really know anything about YouTube. They just get started. They hire you because maybe you have experience with YouTube, and you go in, watch their videos, and you critique them and help them out. Now, that is the only legit way that you can make money from watching videos, right? And that's just real. And with that being said, if you did try to pursue something like that, yeah, you can make, to be a video consultant. Mainly you would do it for, I would say, businesses, entrepreneurs, like sole proprietors, like realtors, and like I said, business owners and stuff like that. I would offer those services. And yeah, you could make, $100 for a YouTube consultation, or a couple $100 or whatever. So that is real. But the stuff that you probably thinking, like just sitting here watching videos and just watch the money roll in, nah. That ain't the way to go, guys. There's tons and tons of ways to make real money online. You just got to find the right one that fits you and your style and your time schedule and whatever, and just go hard with it. All right, that's the truth. Hopefully you like this video. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Comment, thumbs up. It's all good. Till the next time, peace.